So friends, welcome to the series of Grow Protocol. अभी जो हम देखेंगे that is the FAQ section of the Grow Protocol, that is the frequently asked questions. तो इनके जो पेज पे है that is 4 questions that is listed, that is the FAQ questions. First is what is Grow? So Grow is a decentralized token on the ERC20 blockchain. Second, how does the Grow work? Grow pays out investors at an APY of 25% in any stable coins of choice. That means जो उनका output आएगा that will be in the format of stable coins, that is USDT or USDC. How can Grow do that? Because Grow is able to pay out investors with the help of our professional traders and private companies we work with. तो उन्होंने basically collaboration किया हुआ traders के साथ and companies के साथ, and because of that they are able to pay out in the stable coins at an APY of 25% on a yearly basis. What's the difference between Grow and other staking projects? Grow is able to control inflation and keep the price steady while other competitors doesn't have a solution for it. तो इन्होंने अपना solution निकाल दिया है because they have additional partner, they have new money coming in into the blockchain, and because of that they will be able to maintain the price of the Grow token. So that is the FAQ section of Grow protocol.